Hello and welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we dive deep into the world of top products that are making waves. Today, we're on a thrilling journey through the digital aisles of Amazon, bringing you a carefully curated countdown of the best-selling office products. From essentials that streamline your workday to innovative tools that spark productivity, we're covering the creme de la creme. So sit back, get comfortable, and let's discover what's leading the charge in office excellence. Without further ado, let's get started. Imagine a world where every word you need to remember stands out in vivid clarity. That's exactly what the BIC Brite Liner Highlighters offer. In our countdown of Amazon's best-selling office products, at number 5, these highlighters are not just tools, they're essentials. Packed in a convenient 5-count set, each color, yellow, pink, blue, green, and orange, brings its own unique vibrancy to your page. The chisel-tip design provides you with the versatility to tackle both broad highlighting and precise underlining with ease. The translucent ink means you won't have to wrestle with text obscured by your highlighter. Instead, your highlighted notes shine through clearly, making key information pop right off the page. And here's something to celebrate. These highlighters are built to last. With up to 8 hours of use without drying out, even if you leave the cap off. These pens are designed to keep up with your most intense studying or brainstorming sessions. Plus, these highlighters are ACMI approved, adding a layer of quality assurance to your office, school, or art supplies. Whether you're color-coding your notes or adding a splash of color to your artwork, the BIC Brite Liner highlighters are your reliable companions. 5 vibrant colors, endless possibilities. The BIC Brite Liner highlighters aren't just a choice. They're a game changer. At number 4 on our countdown of the top office products on Amazon, we introduce a classic essential, the EXPO low-odor dry erase markers. These aren't just any markers. They're designed to elevate your workspace, whether you're in a bustling classroom, a high-pressure office, or your home study. With a versatile chisel tip, these markers allow you to create broad strokes, medium lines, or fine details, all with a single tool. Their low-odor ink formula means you can work comfortably without the distracting chemical fumes that plague lesser markers. Say goodbye to harsh smells and hello to a clean, fresh writing experience. The EXPO dry erase markers are formulated to erase cleanly from whiteboards and most non-porous surfaces, ensuring your notes, plans, and doodles disappear without a trace, making room for your next brilliant idea. The bold black color stands out with striking clarity, so your messages are always visible from afar, whether you're at the front of the room or at your desk. This pack includes 4 sleek black markers, each engineered to deliver consistent performance with every use. They're not just markers. They're a tool for clear communication and organized creativity. Choose the EXPO low-odor dry erase markers and experience the difference that precision, visibility, and comfort can make in your daily tasks. At number 3 on our countdown of Amazon's top office products, we present a true classic, the Ticonderoga Wood-Cased Pencils, pre-sharpened, 2HB soft, in a generous 30-count pack. What makes these pencils stand out? Let's start with the exclusive #2 graphite formula. Sourced from carefully controlled deposits, this proprietary graphite delivers an exceptionally smooth writing experience. Each pencil features a thick graphite core that produces broad, consistent lines, whether you're sketching, writing, or shading. Crafted from premium wood harvested from responsibly managed forests, these pencils offer an impressive blend of durability and ease. They sharpen smoothly with minimal breakage and come pre-sharpened, saving you precious time and effort. Their classic golden yellow lacquered finish not only looks professional but ensures a sleek, matte coating. The latex-free eraser is another standout feature. It erases cleanly without smudging, securely attached to the pencil in the signature green and gold ferrule. Whether you're correcting a simple mistake or erasing an entire section, this eraser will handle the job flawlessly. Safety is paramount, and these pencils are PMA certified non-toxic, so they're perfectly safe for kids and adults alike. And when you choose Ticonderoga, you're choosing a brand with a legacy. As part of the Dixon Ticonderoga family, which includes esteemed brands like Prang, Dixon, and Strathmore, you're assured of quality and reliability. For a writing experience that's smooth, precise, and dependable, The Ticonderoga Wood-Cased Pencils are your go-to choice. Are you loving our countdown of the best-selling office products on Amazon? If so, don't let this chance slip through the cracks. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest office essentials. In our countdown of the top office products on Amazon, claiming the number 2 spot is the Amazon Basics Wood-Cased #2 Pencils, a 30-count pack that redefines reliability and practicality. These wood-cased pencils are the unsung heroes of writing, drawing, and sketching. Whether you're in the home office, a busy classroom, or at your dining room table, these pencils deliver with consistency and ease. Each pencil is crafted with #2 HB lead, offering a perfect balance between strength and smooth performance. This medium-soft lead ensures that your writing is not only fluid, but also adaptable to a variety of tasks. The pre-sharpened tips mean you're ready to dive straight into your work, saving you the hassle of constant sharpening. And when it comes to corrections, the top eraser is your best friend. Designed to remove unwanted marks with ease, it's smudge-free and latex-free, ensuring a clean, precise erasure every time. Measuring 7.4 inches in length and just 0.3 inches in diameter, these pencils are ergonomically sized to fit comfortably in your hand. They're compact, durable, and engineered for performance. For a pencil that combines practicality with performance, the Amazon Basics Wood-Cased #2 Pencils are your go-to choice. Simple, effective, and always ready for action. At number 1 in our countdown of the top-selling office products on Amazon, we present a true powerhouse in paper, the Amazon Basics Multi-Purpose Copy Printer Paper. This isn't just any paper. It's the foundation of efficient, high-quality printing and copying. Enclosed in a robust 8-ream case, this pack delivers an impressive 4,000 sheets of letter-sized 8.5 by 11-inch paper. Whether you're at home or in the office, this multi-purpose paper is your go-to choice for all your printing needs. Compatible with laser and inkjet printers, copiers, and even fax machines, it seamlessly integrates into any workflow. The smooth, 20-pound weight of each sheet ensures consistent ink and toner distribution, making your prints not only sharp but vibrant. The paper dries quickly, reducing the risk of smudges, and its design actively resists paper jams, keeping your printer running smoothly. Featuring a bright white finish with a 92 brightness rating, €104, this paper provides exceptional contrast that makes text crisp and colors vivid. It's made from virgin fiber and is acid-free, so it won't yellow over time, ensuring your documents and presentations retain their professional quality. With dimensions of 8.5 by 11 inches and a case weight of 41.2 pounds, this paper is as practical as it is efficient. For a reliable, high-performance paper that meets all your office and home printing needs, the Amazon Basics Multi-Purpose Copy Printer Paper stands unmatched. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling office products on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And be sure to check the pinned comment for links to all the fantastic products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.